never run on hope alone, just current and code, battery veins and overload. Robots hum in perfect time, torque and data intertwine. Dust and heat, relentless art, blueprint beating like a heart. Copper nerves and conveyor belts, precision built, efficiency felt. Gigafactory heart, pumping volts in the dark. Scoot it up, break it down, turn the whisper to a spark. Mass produce the future from a single start. Every cell ignites a gigafactory heart. Lithium dreams and stacked arrays, power stored for brighter days. No more smoke in the rearview glass, just silent torque and forward mass. Numbers climb on glowing screens, margins tight and profit lean. Speed is born from iteration, volume is the innovation. Bigger than a single car, it's systems thinking at scale. We are Gigafactory heart, pumping volts in the dark. Multiply the output, make efficiency